Class 10. First of all, good morning to all. We were discussing about life processes. Now we'll see energy is needed for the life processes. All the living organisms need energy to perform various life processes or life activities, and they get the energy from food. Food is a kind of fuel which provides energy to all the living organisms. The living organisms use the chemical energy for carrying out various type of life activities, life processes, and they get this energy from food through chemical reactions. Now we'll see about nutrition. What is nutrition? Food is an organic substance. The simplest food is glucose. It is also called simple sugar. It is also the types of sugar. A more complex food is starch, and starch is made from glucose. The general name of glucose is sugar, and starch is also known as carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most common food for getting energy. The process of, in other words, I can say for nutrition, the process of taking in food and utilizing it for our body is called nutrition. The process of taking in food and its utilization for our body, for our various type of body activities is known as nutrition. And an organism obtains from its surroundings and uses it as a source of energy or for the biosynthesis of its constituents like tissues and organs called nutrient. अब हम लोग मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन को देखेंगे. हाउ मेनी मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन? मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन मीन्स मेथड्स ऑफ processes, method of processing food or obtaining food by an organism. All the organisms do not have their similar nature to obtaining the food, or all the organisms do not obtain their food in the same way. These are mainly two types of nutrition. First, autotrophic nutrition, and second, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water in the surrounding with the help of solar energy, sunlight energy. And those organisms, heterotrophic, those organisms which make their, autotrophic, those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are autotrophs. Mostly green plants are autotrophs. Thanks. Class 10. We are discussing before some time about modes of nutrition. First autotrophic and next heterotrophic. Now we'll understand about heterotrophic modes of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and H2O or water, and depends for their survival on other organisms for their survival or for its food, is known as heterotrophic modes of nutrition. And heterotrophs, those organisms which cannot make their own food from inorganic materials, inorganic substances like carbon dioxide and water, and depend on other organisms for their food, are heterotrophs. Approximately, mostly, all the animals are heterotrophs. Now we'll understand about types of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is of three types. First, saprophytic, next, parasitic, and third, holozoic nutrition. First, saprophytic, the nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals, and rotten bread is known as saprophytic nutrition. And saprophytes, the organism which obtain the food from dead plants, dead and decaying animals' bodies, and other decaying matter, organic matter, are saprophytes. Example, fungi and many bacteria are saprophytes. Number 2, parasitic nutrition. The nutrition in which an organism derives its food from the body of another living organisms without killing it is parasitic nutrition. फर्स्ट हम लोगों ने देखा सैप्रोफाइटिक, इसमें कोई भी जीव जंतु दूसरे मरे हुए जानवरों को या दूसरे मरे हुए पेड़ पौधों के अवशेष को खाता है. दूसरा देख रहा है पैरासिटिक एनिमल्स, पैरासिटिक न्यूट्रिशन, परजीवी पोषण. इसमें कोई भी जीव दूसरे जीवों पर आश्रित तो होता है लेकिन उसको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाता, उसको किसी प्रकार की हानि नहीं पहुंचाता है. एंड अ पैरासाइट is an organism which feeds on another living organism. Example, fungi, bacteria, plasmodium, and roundworms. Now we'll see about holozoic nutrition. This means the habit of feeding on solid food. The habits of feeding on solid food. The nutrition in which an organism takes the complex organic food materials into its body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cells of organism. The undigested and unabsorbed part of the food is thrown out through the excretory parts of our body. Now we'll see in next class.